So the OM System Olympus E-M10 Mark IV camera is priced around $700, and the question is it actually worth it? I mean, $700 is a decent amount of money for a camera, and you want to make sure you're getting the best value for your hard-earned cash. Link is in the description if you want to check the latest price on Amazon, and I'll give you a rundown of my experience with this camera. I've been using the OM System Olympus E-M10 Mark IV for a while now, and I must say, it's been a great companion for capturing all sorts of moments, from family gatherings to outdoor adventures. One of the things I love about this camera is the 20MP Live MOS sensor, which provides excellent image quality, even in low-light conditions. The always-on connection and background connection via Bluetooth have also been super convenient, allowing me to easily transfer photos to my phone or tablet. Another benefit I found is the flip-down monitor and dedicated selfie mode, which makes taking self-portraits a breeze. The in-body 5-axis image stabilization is also a huge plus, reducing camera shake and blur, especially when shooting handheld or in low light. And with 16 art filters, including the new instant film option, I can get creative with my photos and add a unique touch to them. I've also been impressed with the 4K video capabilities of this camera, which have allowed me to capture stunning footage of my travels and outdoor excursions. The digital and optical zoom features have also come in handy, enabling me to get up close and personal with my subjects without having to physically move closer. In terms of pros and cons, I'd say one of the major advantages of this camera is its compact and lightweight design, making it easy to carry around. The image quality is also top-notch, and the features like image stabilization and art filters are really useful. However, one thing to consider is that the camera's autofocus can be a bit slow at times, and the battery life could be better. Overall, I'm really happy with the OM System Olympus E-M10 Mark IV, and I think it's a great option for anyone looking for a versatile and feature-rich camera. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced photographer, this camera has a lot to offer. So, if you're interested in checking it out, the link is below, and I'll see you in the next video.